She's the boss, yeah. She give me more racks and she only speak facts.
Got to deny you will be my boo.
My boo.
Put up a Bible.
I need to make sure you
look in your eyes, say you my boo.
Embarrassingly in public. Hello, how are you doing? What's going on, y'all? Today is Friday. It's Friday. Thank God it's Friday. All right, so today we are making chicken wings, corn, and rice. I think we're about to find out, that's for sure. All right, y'all, we in Wal Mart. Hello. My friend Sarah. We are going grocery shopping and picking up Kaden at the same time. I keep on calling him Chase. No, that's her other baby name. Our raw wings. Let's get a close up. Close up. So we got some butter. We seasoned it with this chicken seasoning here and then this here. So I had about half a bottle left, and so I just put it all up in there. Put a little bit of water at the bottom. I'm gonna cover that up with some foil and then pop it in the oven. I cook everything on 350. You know what I mean? I don't know if that's the right thing to do. I don't know if, you know, there's a better setting for chicken wings. I don't know any of that. And I have no more foil. So now I gotta get up here and look for foil, or I gotta go to the store. Oh, y'all, the struggle. Y'all, the struggle is what happens when you're not prepared in life for things that's going on. Oh, let's see. Let's go on this fall journey together. Let's see, parchment paper. This paper here. I don't even know if I showed y'all the right thing. No, all that's parchment paper. Oh. We going to the store. I want to try these little pickles. I don't know what I'm expecting from them, but that's what I'm gonna try. All right, y'all, we back. You hear me? I went to, oh, look at that light. Lord. Okay, I'm back, okay. I went to Dollar General, boom. Got some aluminum foil, $1.75. So, we gotta turn everything back on. I had to turn everything off. This is like what real life is, y'all. This is not no Food Network. You hear me? This Dejon Food Network, and we unprepared in life. You hear me? I'm gonna make shirts that say that, unprepared in life. just to mess with my mama, so I can wear it all the time. Unprepared in life. She's gonna be like, "How you was unprepared? I tried to prepare you for everything." So I got some of these cookies for my son. I don't know why I'm buying him cookies, because let me tell you about him and Kaden. Him and Kaden won't come to my house. Made me so mad, girl. Let me tell you why. They ate up all my honey buns, and I was so mad because the honey buns, it was 6 of them. You got 2 of y'all. Why y'all going? Why? All right, y'all, so this is the corn. We put that chicken seasoning in there and some butter and submerged it. The pot is not big enough to fit all the parts in there, so that kind of sucks. But other than that, oh, it look good. That's what is going on right now. All right, don't have no Jimmy John's turkey kind, so we're gonna get this butter bowl. So we're gonna see how that tastes. Review. All right, y'all, so this is my little Zatarain's box of bourbon chicken, and I put it in the water, waiting for it to boil so I can cover it up. So it says boneless. Okay, so it says put meat up in there, but I already have chicken wings cooking, and I'm not throwing out nothing else. So I just cooked the rice by itself with some garlic butter that I had, which you probably don't even need it because Zatarain's be having their flavors together. You hear me? I have this garlic butter from Trader Joe's. That is good. Let me tell you, I made a steak in my cast iron pot the other night, like a nice big one. I got for $5 at, I don't know, somewhere. Anyway, thawed that out, seasoned that up, like pan fried it in my cast iron pot, put that garlic butter on top, and then put it in the oven. It was rolling. It was tender. It was in my mouth like, oh, you know what I mean? Yes, Lord. I drink almond milk, girl, so we're gonna get some almond milk, but we're getting the vanilla flavored. So that's the one I have. That's one I like. That's the one I have. I don't even see it. Oh, it's the first one I was looking at. See? Oh, it's smelling good up in here, y'all. It is smelling good. So let's see where we at. I got this rice cooking too high. I turned it down, but these gas stoves, They just, nothing you can do. They just be cooking stuff fast. So that rice, see, it's already down. It's not even high. See if we can turn it down some more. And then our corn is over there cooking away. And chicken wings are still in the oven. I might take them. Alright, we're gonna do the red beans this time. Alright, y'all, so I took these chicken wings out. The chicken wings. I only made a couple, it's just us two. Alright, we are gonna try these buffalo Cheez-Its. That looks good. I'm gonna try that. Alright, so I'm just covering the chicken wings with the sauce. So flavorful looking, smelling, feeling like $1,000,000. This is very simple. Alright, now we're about to put them in the oven with no cover. They ate all my little pancake mix last weekend, so we're gonna get some more. I only want the kind that you only have to add water because that's how I feel. Look at this. Yo, oh, Lord have mercy. I'm working on myself. Let's see, 2 cups mix and then water. That's it. Boom. Ain't your mama. I don't know if y'all ever had that before, but it's so good. Alright, y'all, finished results. So they came out. I flipped them around up in the sauce, and it came out looking really good. So I kind of wish I would have made more, but that's all the chicken wings that I had. So, boom. Alright, so boom, this is what we have. So we're hoping that junk is for them kids. That's they're paying for that themselves. Okay, so this is what we got. And some eggs, cookies, some chicken because I already cooked and I just needed some meat for Kaden to eat, the pickles, milk, whatever. Y'all saw what I got earlier, but the bunny bread, y'all didn't see that. Alright, y'all, finished product. Corn, rice, chicken. Yum, yum, yum.